Good morning, all of you. Hope everyone enjoy your Christmas day. In this session, we will start revision of Unit 7, the Tuntun Town Musician. Let me revise this story. This story is about four different pet domestic animals and birds. The pets, as they got old and were thrown by their respective master, and they decided to go Tuntun town, become a musician. Let us discuss question in different format out of the workbook. First one is meaning. First is idea, it means a plan. Second, deaf, it means one who cannot hear. Then third, slightly, it means a little. Next, four strips, it means line. Fifth number, to remain, it means to stay. Six, concert, it means music show. Here is our new topic. We will take from the workbook but not from the formation of workbook. Write the meaning and write the opposite word of the following words and make sentence. Let me see. First one is to yell. It means to shout loudly. Its opposite word is whisper. If we want to make it in a make sentence, its a sentence is Mary yelled when she saw rat. Second number, peep. It means to look. Its opposite word is disappear or hide. And it's a make sentence. Its a sentence is my cat peeped the basket from the market, in the market. So here is students given a some word, it's a meaning and opposite word. You have to find out it's a synonym word also and write in your classwork book. Let me see. Third number, to rush, to run fast. Its opposite word is slow down. If we want to make it a sentence, I rushed to see what was going on. Next one, filling the blanks. Number 1. The donkey had hard work very the blank for many years. So now student, answer is everyone know that farmer. So here is we will change also. We can change also blank had hard work very hard for the farmer for many years. So it's a blank is the donkey. Next, poor old blank was very sad. So answer is donkey. Next, an old dog was asleep on the side of the blank. So here is the road. We can also change it. that a blank was asleep on the side of the road? So answer is an old dog. The dog was old and slightly blank. Answer is deaf. Next, the dog liked the idea of the going to blank and become a musician. So, answer is Tuntun Town. Here is students, you know this blank's meaning and question answer. But here is I change it's a formation. So you should only see on this formation. Next, the blank was thin and had strips on her blank. Answer is cat and fur. Seven number. Master has thrown me out as I overslept and I could not get up in the morning. Said by who said this? Yes, here is the answer is rooster. Next, the animals remain in this house and often blank together. So here is answer is sun. Students, this all the blanks given in our workbook. But here is I change it's all the blanks that you have to know, you have to remember all the story. In this story, in workbook, we also learn present perfect tense. So, at first, we see the word is bring. So, the word is bring. So, if we want to make in simple present tense, before this all the tense and sentences, everyone listen and see the rules of the tense. Simple present tense, simple past tense and present perfect tense. Here is given a one verb bring. The sentence is the postman brings letters. Students, you should learn the and see the verb which form we use in particular tense. Next is the postman brought letter. So here is the bring past form of here is brought. So in present perfect tense, the postman has brought letters. Next one is second word catch. Damon catches the ball. So here is Damon singular. So here is we will keep here. Here is es. Then in past tense, Damon caught the ball. And in present perfect, Damon has caught the ball. Here is this tense revised only for your all the tense clear and you understand the rules also. The children write a poem. If I will make here child. So the child writes a poem. But here is plural children. So the children write a poem. Next in simple past tense, the children wrote a poem. Next, the children have written a poem. My dear students, learn all the verb form V2, V3 means here is given in our workbook also. So you have to learn before making any sentences. Here is I am also giving you make sentence, but if you want to make your own sentence you can also make, but follow all the rules of tense. Next I am taking one activity. This activity, find out appropriate group of animals. So here is given geese and sheep. It's a group we call flock. Then a herd of cows and deer and goat. A litter of pigs and pups. A swarm of ants. Students, here I am giving only few groups name. If you know about it, you should write in your classwork book. And it's a one activity that you can also find out new animals group also. It's our knowledge. Now next, here is given the question is that describe about cat, description of the cat. You can also write in your own words also. It is a small pet animal. Cats are fond of various colors. It has a soft fur. The cat's eyes are bright grey in color and they shine at night. A cat has sharp claws and furry tails. Its claws and teeth are sharp. It has a long whiskers. It walks or runs without making any noise. Next one is, it's a rhinoceros. A rhinoceros is a grey in color with very thick skin. The rhino's thick skin helps protect it from thorn and sharp grasses. The black rhinoceros has two large horns, the second of which can measure nearly 3 feet in length. Black rhinoceros have large ears which can rotate to pick up sound from many directions. Here is in this lecture I am only taken 2 animals. If you want to write, you can also write about other animals.